Let's see if you can. He can. There, he hiccuped. He's hiccuping.
Oh my god, it's so funny.
But then when you look like this, see he's breathing, and when he moves, the heartbeat accelerates. Just the diaphragm. And you can see the heart, belly area. He's rolling.
That looks like Charlie Brown.
That's so funny. And then there's the leg right here. I'm going to try to get the length. It's a long kid. That's the thigh bone.
Yeah.
Fluid. He's sleeping. There he is.
Yeah, see that face.
I think he has your nose or your dad's. Maybe a combination. You can see his upper lip. See the lip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
He's moving.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
That's so funny. He's so cute. His cheeks are so apple.
Yeah.
See that cheek
Yeah,
right
lips.
there?
And he's
Yeah.
pounding right now.
Yeah, right there.
See the lip
Yeah.
coming different, falling down? It's
Yeah.
pounding.
Oh. How sweet.
He just yawned.
Yeah.
Open his mouth a little.
And the hands are close to his
Yeah.
face, right?
See this one?
Yeah.
That's the hand. It's basically the forearm. Follow the hand. He's like this.